Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Review, the ultimate smartphone gimbal stabilizer. YouTube video script, Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Review. Channel name, The Buyer's Guide. Show the Buyer's Guide logo. Looking for the ultimate smartphone gimbal stabilizer? Meet the Hohem iSteady M6 Kit, a 3-axis stabilizer with AI tracking, a magnetic fill light, and advanced stabilization to take your content creation to the next level. Stay tuned for a complete breakdown in just a few minutes. Show a cinematic shot of the Hohem iSteady M6 in action. Features and overview. The Hohem iSteady M6 is packed with next-gen features designed for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. Let's check out what makes it special. AI tracking with magnetic fill light. Switch seamlessly between front and rear cameras for follow you mode, ensuring smooth tracking across all mobile apps. Customizable lighting. Choose from cold light, warm light, and RGB options with a 2700K, 6500K color range for perfect illumination. iSteady 7.0 Stabilization captures buttery smooth, shake-free footage whether you're walking, running, or filming high-action shots. Wide smartphone compatibility supports devices up to 400 grams, making it perfect for iPhones and Androids. Show visuals of the gimbal in use, highlighting each feature. 1 to 30. Want real-time control over your gimbal? The OLED display shows your battery level, Bluetooth status, and gimbal modes at a glance. Show a close-up of the OLED display in action. One of the best parts? You can start filming instantly, no matter how your phone is mounted. Ultra-wide-angle shots are now easier than ever. Show a demo of wide-angle shots captured with the gimbal. Real-world test. The versatile control wheel lets you adjust focus, roll axis, and even fine-tune lighting with just a simple turn. Show a demonstration of adjusting focus and lighting using the control wheel. Let's see this in action. Show real-world footage recorded with and without the gimbal to highlight the stabilization. Thoughts and call to action. Voice. The Hohem iSteady M6 is the ultimate smartphone stabilizer for vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators. If you want smooth, professional-looking videos, this gimbal is a must-have. Get yours today. Buy link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the Buyer's Guide, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Show like, subscribe, and share animations. More tech reviews coming soon. Stay tuned. Outro with the Buyer's Guide logo and social media links. This script will keep your video engaging, informative, and to the point while ensuring maximum audience retention. Let me know if you want any tweaks.